Hello everyone, good evening. How are you all?
Very fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. So, shall we start the session?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Okay, so before starting it, could you please keep your camera on, everyone? Yes. Very good, Shalaka. Then Abhishek, Roma, Soma Shekhar, Sarang, Purnima, Dharanisha, Prasanna, and Ankush. Everyone, please keep your camera on, guys. Very good. So, fine. Shall we start with the introduction? Quick introduction, not in detail, little bit. Okay. So, yes, who is going to start? Shalaka.
Yes, hi Jyoti.
Hi.
So actually I have done demo class before also. From today I was joining the class,
Okay.
and currently actually I was working in manual testing, but I want to upgrade. So I have joined this class for the automation testing purpose.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yes, who is next? Shraddha.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Shraddha, and currently I'm working as a manual tester in Sterling Talent Solutions. So I want to upgrade my skills, and I want to proceed with automation testing now.
Okay, very good. Who is next? Roma.
Yeah, hi. I'm working in manual testing as a lead, but I'm not having experience in automation testing.
Okay.
So want to have exposure for automation area so that I can upgrade my skills set.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Roma. Who is next? Shraddha, Shalaka. Okay. Sarang. Yeah, Sarang, are you there? No, not actually Sarang. He is Sharan. Sorry, Sharan.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Sharan from Bangalore. I'm working in INR as a QA. I currently working in manual testing. To upgrade my skills, I've joined here.
Okay. Thank you. Please try to keep your camera on, everyone. Okay. Yes, Kajal.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Hi, I'm
Hi.
Kajal. I stay in Vaishali, Delhi NCR, and
Okay.
I've been working here from past 3 years in
Okay. Somehow, startingly, we were able to hear you, but then in between, what happened? Don't know.
I'll just check the connectivity first. Just
No
1 minute.
problem. No problem. Yeah, okay. Take your own time. No problem. Yes, Prasanna. Prasanna, are you able to hear me?
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi, Aishu. So I'm currently working in Accenture as a QA engineer. So I learned Selenium from YouTube, but I don't have the hands-on experience and all. So to get the hands-on and to get all my doubts resolved and all, so I've just joined the Selenium so that I can get a good grip of Selenium and
Great.
so that I can crack any interview.
Oh,
I don't have project experience. I've just learned Selenium using YouTube few videos, but yeah, these experts and some other concepts and all, like I've got so many doubts and I'm not very good at it. So just wanted to master at it. So join
very
this.
good. Okay. No problem. You'll be able to learn. Don't worry. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Satish. Yes, Satish.
Yeah, hi, Jyoti.
Hi. Everyone, please keep your camera on. Sharan, Ankush, Abhishek, Soma Shekhar, then
Yeah,
Dharanisha.
I'm ready
Yes.
to turn on my camera. I'm in travel.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
So basically, I'm from Bangalore. I have 3 years of experience in manual testing.
Okay.
So previously, I was joined in some other batch, like, and now I have been moved to your.
Okay, okay. Understood. Okay. Thank you, Sharon. Yes, Ankush. Ankush, able to hear me? Yes. Okay, fine. Abhishek. Soma Shekhar. And Dharanisha is in traveling, so that's why she won't able to talk. Okay. Fine. So let's start with this session. So yeah. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. So okay. Okay. But from where? I'm not getting any request. Let me check. Eshu, I'm not getting any request. One second. Eshu, are you there? I think I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Eshu, I didn't receive any request from the students. That is why I'm not pretty sure. And people are still joining, right?
Yes, ma'am. Like few students are texting in the WhatsApp, like we can't able to join. Host need to give permission like that. So I'm telling you.
No. It didn't like here. We must have get the list over there, and this is basically you changed not the link. So here basically everyone can join directly. You guys
Okay.
join directly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, so there is
Yes,
no
yes,
permission
ma'am.
needed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll check.
Yeah,
Yeah,
check
thank
with them. Call them. Might they were clicking on other link.
Sure, ma'am. I'll
Okay.
check.
Yeah,
Okay.
check with them. Thank you. Okay, so let's start, guys. First of all, I'll introduce myself. So, hi everyone. My name is Jyoti Shukla. I have 8+ year of the experience in the IT industry. So, I also started my journey with the manual testing part only, but slowly I learned the automation part, and currently I'm working as QA lead for automation and manual both the part. Okay. Anything else you guys want to know about me, or is it enough? Yes.
Which company you're working in?
Innate Excellence Services Private Limited, which is located at Mumbai.
Mumbai. All
Yeah.
right.
Okay, but I'm working from home.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. So shall we start now with the demo part? Okay. So, okay, able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So let's talk about first of all Grotechminds, because you are going to learn this Selenium part with the Grotechminds, which is going to making your life every day better, because we are going to learn every day, right? That is why. So now Grotechmind is a well-known technical education platform that focuses on software testing, software development, database analytics, and cloud technologies. It was founded with the goal of the educating technical aspirant in order for them to gain knowledge, develop skill, and build is a success career in the technology space. Okay, fine. So what courses we are running in the Grotechminds? So there is basically automation testing, manual testing, API and SQL, software development, and ethical hacking. These courses we are running now. Okay. So as you already started your career in the in software testing, if I'm not wrong, everyone is belongs from the manual testing department and they have the experience, right?
Yes.
So as
Yes.
you guys already started over there, so what you have the basically what experience you have, and now how you guys are thinking, like whether we have the scope in this testing field or not?
Manual testing is required, but it is not. Automation is going to be used everywhere now, so manual testing is now deprecated like that.
Okay. What about others?
I guess each and every hiring managers are asking for automation testers only, not the manual testers in any company.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else? This is a pain of testers.
Along with manual testing, I think we should grasp automation testing knowledge as well, so that
Exactly.
we can be able to crack both the testings at a time.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Who's next? Someone else?
Hi,
Okay.
this is Bhuvaneshwari actually.
Yeah,
Actually, I do
Bhuvaneshwari.
test quality analyst engineer. So if we learn automation testing, it will be better growth for us to grow in the IT field. So I'm looking for that, for automation.
Exactly. But obvious. See, even the doctor, even the teacher, even any, like, people, even there is a housewife, we can say the housemaker as well. There are. So it is not like that if they know only dal rice kind of the food, then it is a survival point. Yeah, survival, it is fine. We will be able to survive. But then also, they also have to learn on daily basis something new. Then only like because you need to be upgraded always. You need to be upgraded always. Then only you can survive in any place, right? Even it is related to food, even it is related to teaching part, even it is related, because if you didn't aware with the technical new technology, new dishes and all, that means, yeah, then you are worthless. People are thinking like that. I'm not saying because at the home as well, like your kids also might sometime going to be tell you, mama, you are just making every time dal rice, we are just fed up with it. Why? Because they want it. Now there is burger, at least try something new, because they are eating outside. They have the idea that these kind of the foods also available. So if you are going to give them this kind of the thing only, now they are going to ask you the new dishes. So you have to learn. At any location, you have to learn. So until you are not going to update yourself, upgrade yourself, it won't work. And it is not like that manual testing is slowly about to finish. No, somehow some part, basically these are kind of the team. Which one? Your manual testing and automation testing, both are the basically kind of team, because something which is going to take a time lots of to do the automate, might that same thing is possible within the half an hour only. Understood. So it's completely depend upon the requirement. Yeah, people are asking and everyone is looking for the automation. Why? Because it is going to help you out in your day-to-day life. Day-to-day, basically, not about the kitchen and all I'm telling. But yeah, somehow this is also going to be used only. Why? Because, previously we were washing the clothes by the hand, right? By the manually. But now we are using the automatic washing machine. Why? To save our time. Right? And that same time we can use somewhere else, some in other productivity. So it is also going to help you out, right? So that's why people wants the automation part. But it is not like that manual testing is going to be finished. Both have their own importance. Manual testing have their own importance and automation testing has their own importance. But I would always suggest, whenever you guys are starting with career, start with automation. It has better growth. That I am also telling you. Why? Because somehow, somewhere, you guys also going to get bored to repeat that same task again and again and again. So we should also happy. Then only we will be able to put our 100%. Right? So that's why it needed. And yes, who are thinking like, I understand sometime like at the starting point in my mind also having the same thing only, like no, like this is the basically I mistaken over there at the time of choosing the field. But it is not like that. Yeah, some people trying to make you feel like that, but it is not like that. Basically, when you are going to learn these all things and try to work with them now, it's really awesome. I would tell you, it's really awesome. When you want to do the mind exercise and all, automation is the best thing. But yes, the testing base is nothing but your manual testing. Base is the manual testing that's needed. Without manual testing, you cannot do the automation as well. That is again a good thing, basically. Understood? Okay. Now, in the automation, okay, thank you. So in the automation testing course, feature is over there. What? Here basically you will get comprehensive curriculum, expert instructor like me. Am I right? Okay. So
Yeah.
comprehensive curriculum, expert instructor, feedback and assessment. Basically, how you guys are working based on that. I'll guide you. But it's again in your hand whether you guys are doing or not. Because you guys are going to like scold to your child why you haven't completed your homework and all. But here parents also not doing. Understood? My student also not doing. So if you are going to be strict with that homework, I understand it's hard to find the time as you guys are working, then you are learning. So and then house thing also you need to do. I completely understand. But then also try to find out sometime, at least you'll be able to complete your homework as well. Okay. So you'll get the feedback and an assessment, interactive learning, as I'm doing. We are able to interact, right? Okay, so we will do the interactive learning. So if you have the question, you guys can ask me directly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Even sometime if we don't have that much time, so you guys can connect me through the call as well whenever you have the time. But again, it's depend upon my availability as well. Okay, yeah. Then real-time projects experience also you'll get after we are finishing each and everything, like all the topics and everything. Then we will assign you after the final exam. Yeah, after the final exam, we are going to assign you the real-time projects as well. We are going to guide you, but that project you have to complete by you only, because I already taught you everything, whatever needed. I'll just give you the guidance, but the coding part will be yours only. Clear? Understood? Okay. Then ISO certification. Anyone having any doubt related to ISO certification? Okay. So the certification, whatever you guys are going to get, that is ISO certified basically. Okay. Yeah, Shraddha, you were saying something?
No, ma'am, no.
No. Okay, fine. Then mock interviews are going to get conduct like mock interview. It will be similar like a real interview. And then unlimited placement support also you guys will get during this automation testing course. Is that clear? Any doubt till here to anyone? No. Okay.
And placement support means
Placement
do you
support,
refer?
that means, yeah, you will get the opportunity. But yes, again, getting the job is in your hand, how you guys are going to answer over there. Because we can just give you the opportunity. You just have to, and we will give you the guide, like what you should mail in the mail body and all kind of the thing, so that your is going to get preferred first. Okay, so these kind of the tips and tricks we are going to give you, but ultimately it's in your hand how you guys are going to answer over there. Based on that, selection will be over there. Is that clear? Placement support is nothing but you will get on daily basis opportunities. Clear, Sharon? Okay, fine. Then when we are going to complete this one, we are going to master in some tool. That is what? Core Java, Selenium, TestNG, Eclipse, and one more thing, Cucumber BDD. Okay? Then let's understand what things we are going to cover in a just highlight part basically. So quality assurance automation testing, here we are going to do what? First of all, we are going to complete the core Java in detail, like a level of the, what's it? Nothing but your developer level, we are going to teach you the Java part. Why? Because it is very important. Without programming knowledge, you won't able to perform the Selenium and all commands. Understood? Because logical part always comes from the programming part only. Then advanced Java concept, that is again collection framework. If you are attending the interview in the product based company, so collection part is must. That is why we are going to cover that only part from the advanced Java. Is that clear? Okay. Then automation testing through the Selenium. Basically, we are going to use the Selenium to do the automation testing. Selenium is basically web-based application. So a web-based application testing tool. So we can perform whatever testing is over there on your web application, that all we will be able to perform by the Selenium. Then data-driven framework, like there is a huge number of the datas which I just want to be checked. Like suppose we are doing na login part, we need to test the login part. So one time we are passing like this, like valid credential, invalid credential, valid username, invalid password, kind of the thing. So suppose there is a basically whole data which we are going to keep into the Excel sheet. separate. Data will be separate and script will be separate. So that how we will be able to fetch from the Excel sheet and will pass directly to the web application. So that we are going to learn in the data driven. Keyword driven, again, to maintain the standard of the company so that everyone is going to be used for the same. Like login is over there, so no one is going to call it as like log, then logged in, kind of thing. So everyone is going to use the same keyword only. That validation also we are going to check over there by using that keyword driven framework. And hybrid is nothing but basically combination of your data and keyword driven. Is that clear? Okay. Then here, Maven. But obvious, we are going to start. Firstly, I'll start with the Java projects basically, so that you will get the idea from the scratch, and then we will start with the Maven projects and all. So Maven, we are going to guide you. What is the test ng? That in detail we are going to cover. Then Cucumber BDD framework, which is needed nowadays. Everyone is following that Cucumber BDD framework, so that needed over there. That we are going to complete. Once these all are done, then we will move ahead with the Git and GitHub. But yes, little bit flow we have been changed. Previously we were doing this Git and GitHub at last, but now we have the plan after finishing the Java, and once we are done with the 4 to 5 class of the Selenium, then we will give you the idea of the Git and GitHub, so that your Git practice will be on daily basis. If we are going to give you the last idea only, you won't able to practice that much. So on daily basis, we are going to give you the idea, and you can work, you can basically practice on that Git as well. How we can push the code, how we can pull the code, how we can commit, everything. So yeah, that flow is a little bit got changed. And then CI/CD, but not with the Azure. Basically, we are going to complete with the Jenkins, because in the market, as compare Azure and all, Jenkins is using maximum. That is why Git CI/CD part we are going to do with the Jenkins. Is that clear, everyone? Anyone having any doubt?
No.
Okay. Okay, so this part I don't think so I need to take, because as you guys are already from the manual testing part, so you must have the idea about these, or like what is the software testing, what is manual testing, what is automation testing. These all you have the idea. And as you are joining over here, that means you have some idea related to automation as well. Automation testing is nothing but what? We are going to perform that same testing via what say, automated tool. Understood. Which we were performing previously as manual. That's same. The way of testing is going to get changed, but the testing will be the same only. Understood? Okay. Then difference between manual and automation. That's also clear. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is the test scenario? Yes? Everyone? What is test scenario? A test scenario is basically nothing but what need to test. What we are going to test, that your functionality, right? We always writing the test scenario like that only. And what is the test cases? How to test that thing. What to test and how to test is nothing but, what to test is basically test scenario. How to test is nothing but your test cases. Clear? So, and what about the defect management process? Anyone having any idea related to this? Or defect cycle?
Yeah, we basically report it first. We report it, then developer start working on it. So that is the process somehow. So we verify it and close it. And there's a tool which we use, that is Jira, or any other tool which we can use for
There are
the
many
bug
tools.
report, right?
Yeah. Okay, so yes, see, whenever we are going to get any bug, it will have the status as new. When developer is going to accept that bug, that is going to be become as open. And when they are going to start working on that, it will be in progress. Once they are done with it, it will be fixed status. And after the fixing it, we are going to retest that thing. So if the retesting is passed, then bug is going to get closed. If it is failed, then bug is going to get reopened, and then that cycle will be continued. Clear? Everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, oops. Fine. Let's see what things we are going to complete in a Java part. Guys, I'm just requesting to each and every person, please try to keep your camera on. Okay? because it's needed. It's a compulsion thing, even during the sessions as well. So please keep your camera on, everyone. Okay? Shraddha, Bhubaneswari, Sharan, everyone. Yeah, thank you. So yes, now in the Java part, we are going to complete a basic of Java, like what is the data types, what basically how we have to store, what are the variable, these kind of thing. And then you guys have faced many times the condition as well. Basically, if I'm not going to be tell you, the childhood we faced, right? If you are going to achieve like bright kind of the thing, if you are going to achieve score basically 60%, then you will get this. If you are not, then finally you will get mar only, right? Punishment, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So these kind of the conditions also, if I'm going to tell you now guys, Java is completely the same as your real world. Same as your real world. How the basically our behavior, the inheritance part, the abstraction part people are doing now, there is lots of things that same exact same the world is over there in the system as well with the Java, because Java is completely inspired by the your real world things. Understood? So even the if else condition loop is what? Repeating the same thing again and again and again. Okay, that is nothing but looping part. Then string is again very important part. So when I'm going to explain you, it will be completely a detailed thing. At least one session will be a dedicated session will be over there for the string only. Is that clear? Okay. Okay, have you guys ever saw the animal? There, you are on mute.
Animal movie you're talking about?
No, not Ranbir Singh. Sorry, not Ranbir Kapoor.
Animals in the zoo.
Zoo. Okay, so have you saw that animal?
Yes.
Could you give me some idea where, how, and
Mumbai, that animal zoo.
which one?
I think name I don't recollect.
I think in Delhi. Delhi, there's only one zoo.
Okay, but I'm not asking about zoo name. I'm asking which animal.
Which animal? Multiple
Yeah.
animals, like tiger, lion. We have in forest also. We have seen lion, leopard, then and all. Yeah.
So are you sure these are the animal?
Yeah.
No, these are not animal.
These are
These are
animals.
the wild animals.
These are not animal.
Wild animals.
I'm asking the appropriate animal who has the name as animal, and we can see, see his name, he is the animal. Have you ever saw?
No.
Because whatever name you guys are taking now, these are object of the animal.
Okay.
Right? These are object of the animal.
Animal is
exactly. Animal is a class, category we can say, who basically physically not present in this world. Understood? This is just a category. This is just a blueprint kind of the thing basically over there. So animal is not a class. Sorry, animal is not a what's say, or these lion and all is not basically your animal. These are the object of the animal, or we can say the example of the animal. Clear? So class is just a category. As it is not present in the real world, that is why it is not going to occupy the memory. I mean space. And object are real world entity. As we able to see, dog, cat, lion, these all, they wanted a space. Why? Because these are the real thing. Understood? Okay. So I hope these two things are clear to everyone. Class, object. Then inheritance part, you guys have to learn about the property law that time. Basically, the features which we are going to acquire from the parents, that is nothing but inheritance. In detail, what type of the inheritance are over there, we will learn in the session. Okay. Then abstraction. Abstraction is what? Hiding the implementation. Hiding the implementation like that what? They are just going to highlight the feature, what actually they are offering. Understood? But internal implementation, like I can give you the example of the car. We are getting the brake, clutch, then steering, these all things. But are they going to explain you at the time of whenever you are visiting to the what's say outlet over there, showroom over there. So are they going to guide you? Like, yes, if you are going to remove this one wire now, then it is going to be stop working. This wire has been connected with the, your wheel. That is why if you are going to push the brake, are they going to guide you this kind of the thing? No one is going to guide you, right? That is nothing but internal part. That is what they are hiding the implementation in the body, right? Yes. So that is nothing but abstraction. Polymorphism, one person who has the many forms, like a girl basically. If I'm going to talk about me, so I'm a sister as well, then I'm a daughter as well, I'm Masi as well, basically auntie. So we have the many forms, right? Then encapsulation, hiding the basically your important data. Interface, that have the again detailed very detailed kind of the session over there where you guys can understand what is the interface, what changes has been done in the 8th version, 9th version of the Java. That all we are going to cover over there. Is that clear? Then try catch finally block, it's going to be used for the exception handling, but I'll take some interesting example, like one person having two wives. So you'll be able to understand this one very easily. Fine? Okay. Collection framework, as I told you, collection is nothing but basically list, set, queue, these all interfaces and their implemented classes we are going to learn. Map again we are going to learn over there. Why? Because these are very important based on the product-based company, as I already explained you previously, right? So that needs to be learned. After this one, Selenium. We are going to start with Selenium part, where we are going to learn what is the WebDriver, what is Selenium. Then we will download the Selenium. We will download the basically jar file of the Selenium, because the installation is done at the time of that starting Java installation and Eclipse installation. We will do at the starting time only. So later we just have to add the jar file of the Selenium only. Understood? Then we will see running the test on all browser, that we can see the cross browser as well. Like at the same time we can do what? Nothing but running that same test case on the Chrome, on the Firefox, and many different one. So cross browser testing. Then we can learn the navigation command. What do you mean by navigation, guys? Which is able to land you somewhere. Understood? So basically that commands also we are going to learn. Suppose I want to go forward, how we will. Suppose I want to go in the back page, how we will be able to refresh the page, and many more things. Clear? Am I going fast? Okay.
No.
Thank you. So yes, then we will learn. WebDriver we covered already. Now we will learn what is the Selenium, what are the features, what are the limitations of that Selenium. Then this installation part, as I told you, we already gonna complete at the time of Java, Eclipse and Java, Java part. And then we are going to download the Selenium jar files over there. And then WebDriver commands we are going to learn in detail. Is that clear?
Okay.
Then, okay. Yes, Bhuvaneshwari, you want to ask something?
No.
Okay.
No, nothing.
Fine. Then here, running test on all browsers, that we are going to learn. What was the difference between Selenium 2.0, 3.0? I mean, that's Selenium 3.0 plus series and 2 series. And now basically there is a fourth series is going on. So Selenium, what is the new feature of the 4.0? Then Selenium 4.0, what are the deprecated? Deprecated, that means modified, which is already existing. We just modified it. That is that all the thing we are going to learn. Then WebDriver commands, again we are going to learn what are the, because by using that WebDriver commands, maximally we are going to work with that one. Understood? Then navigation command, as I told you, go back, go forward, refresh the page, kind of the thing. And then these are the basically locators part. Which one? Identifying and interacting with the HTML elements using WebDriver. Okay, so what are the locators? By using which locator we will be able to identify over there. If nothing is going to be work, so how we can create the XPath and all that, all the thing we are going to learn at this point. Then WebDriver commands, find elements command. Basically there is again find element, because without that we won't able to find any web element. What is a web element, guys? Web element is nothing but whatever element is present on your web application, that is nothing but web element. Understood? Clear, everyone? Okay, so how we can work with them, that needs to understand what is the difference between find element and the find elements command over there. That also we are going to cover. Then how we can handle the check boxes, radio buttons, drop down, multiple select, then what is a web table, how we can handle the web table, then how we can fetch the text of that particular element or their values, basically how we can fetch that, all the thing we are going to learn in it. Understood? Then that means all the complete basic things we are going to cover in the Selenium. Basic, that means how to handle that element is nothing but a part of the Selenium. Okay, then we will come to the framework, that is again TestNG. Okay. So when we are talking about what introduction to TestNG, TestNG is what, again a framework basically which we are going to use, and we can structurize our project in a very well mannered. So here, what is the TestNG? That overview we are going to complete. What are the advantages of the TestNG over JUnit? Because TestNG is completely inspired by the JUnit only, but it is better than that. Okay, then how we can install that? So installing part we are going to cover in the Eclipse. Then what are the annotations we are using? What will be the sequence of the annotation? Then what is the TestNG assertion part? That also we are going to complete. Clear? Then how we can prioritize the test cases? Why? Because if I'm going to write each and everything at the same time only, so it is going to get executed by using that, what say, your alphabetical order. So how we can prioritize that thing? That also we are going to learn. Okay. Who is A1? I have noted. Okay. Then TestNG data provider. Why? Because this is again a one type of the data, like what's a data driven testing only. We can inject the multiple data by using data provider annotation. Clear? Then how we can run the parallel test cases, like suppose I'm running Chrome browser, then Firefox browser, then this, but I just want to run these all things parallelly at the same time. So how we can do it? By the parallel testing in the TestNG, we will be able to do it. Then what are the reports over there we are going to use? That needs to understand. Then, okay. So these all things, and yes, I forgot to mention over there related to Cucumber BDD, because there is a Cucumber BDD framework as well that we are going to cover. So what is the feature file? What is the step definition? What is the page object? What are the runner file? What are the reports over there? What is the hooks? What is the tags? That all we are going to cover in the Cucumber part. Is that clear? Okay. So any doubt related to this, your syllabus and all? Anything to anyone? Yes?
Just wanted to
So
know.
Jyoti, are we?
Okay, okay, one by one. Yes.
Yeah.
First
Yes,
Kajal.
Kajal.
First Kajal, then Shalaka.
Sure. So just wanted to know if rest assured is also included in this.
No, rest assured is basically a different part of the API automation testing. Like we are learning over here Selenium, it's a completely different tool. And that one is completely different tool. So they are having again a separate course for that rest assured.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shalaka.
Same, I was going to ask.
Okay. Fine, fine. No problem. Anything else? So you must say same pinch. Okay. So here we are done with the topics and all. Now, what actually you guys will get after this, like during this session, how the program is going to be worked, at all the things. So here, placement preparation, first of all, you will get how it is going to be happen. So support will be provided for the resume building based on participants' past and domain experience. Based on that, you will get the guidance that how you should prepare the resume. Then mock interviews by the industry expert. Okay. Then mock interviews by the industry expert and detailed feedback on improvements area. It is not just about how you are answering, what should be the answer over there. Basically, it will be related to everything. How you have to say it, what should be the body language, how you have like how you need to view the things, basically, how you have to present yourself. Each and everything here, you will get the detailed information. I mean, detailed feedback. Okay. Then counseling by the industry expert based on the job description. Okay, like whatever job description JD will be over there, based on that you will get the counseling by your industry expert. Then interview question and mock exam will be available on your LMS. LMS is what? Learning Management System. That is nothing but Grotechminds application. Understood? Okay. Then yes. Here are a few companies where actually our Rockstar is already working, like in the Infosys, HCL, Google, IBM, Flipkart, Deloitte, and many more companies. Because so many champs are over there who are working in different companies, so they are able to get the job. Even these kind of the companies, so you can understand like what level, what kind of the knowledge you guys are going to get. That is why you'll get higher in like these kind of the companies. Okay. Thank you. So yes, if you guys have any question related anything apart from your like personal life, like girlfriend, boyfriend, that I'm not going to solve. But yeah, something which is related to your career related, you guys can ask me anything. Okay. So yes, anyone having any question? No. Ah, basically, first time I'm not getting any question. Else people are just start to shoot on me. Okay. Yeah, I think
Timing of the class, ma'am?
our timing will be the same, 6:30 to 7:30.
So from tomorrow, are we going to start the class?
I think so. Megha, are you there?
I just got the info that from 22nd we have 6:30 to 7:30 class.
Yes, actually. But then again, let me reconfirm it because sometime it's happened like the demo is going to be happen. Then after 2 to 3 days also we are starting. So I just need to know the schedule. So let me just ask. Megha, are you there? Aishu is there.
Yeah,
Okay.
hi, ma'am.
Yeah, Aishu. How is the plan basically?
Ma'am, tomorrow also we have a free demo class. Okay,
Okay.
once it's completed from Monday onwards, it depends upon the like.
So free demo class, if I'm not wrong, basically we just have to start with the Java part, right?
Yes.
We are not going to conduct the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like I'll update ma'am regarding this once I'll discuss and.
Okay. Sure, no problem. Basically, tomorrow also there is a demo session. Have the name as demo, but you guys can join because it will be directly. I'm going to start with the Java only. Right? So don't miss it. Like you are going to think we already attended that demo. We are going to why need to listen that same thing. But today is just about the detailed thing about your course and all. Tomorrow onwards, I'll give you my demo for the teaching technique. How I'm teaching that all the thing. Okay. Right. So join it. And further thing going to get updated on the group basically. If I'm not wrong, it will be a continuous session only. But somehow if they want to take 2 to 3 days of the to do the management process and all, so might it will be after 2 to 3 days. But basically it will be start regularly only. Okay.
Okay. Hi, I'm Girish here.
Hi Girish.
Yeah. I want to ask like in automation testing, do we are going to cover a manual testing also?
No, manual testing, no. We are not going to cover manual testing. That I think like you should have the knowledge of the manual testing. So here we are going to completely cover related to Java, Selenium, testing, these all part only. Little bit little bit name you'll be able to listen from me. That's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so no issues. And for automation testing only, we are having a class of 3.5 months, 4 months.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Exactly. Okay.
Can we have a detailed syllabus type, which content type, which we are going to cover?
That you will be able to, but there is again few things needs to be modified because it's on the website. So you need to go over there, Grotechminds, but that is going to get modified. It is already modified, I'm not pretty sure. So here basically you need to go for the courses. One second. I think something got changed over there. Okay. Okay, let me find, I'll let you know, okay? Because previously it was over here under the courses only, there were automation, and then by the automation there will be my name. So it was directly able to get that whole course in detail. Yeah, basically automation testing. Yeah.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
Jyoti. You
Yeah.
mentioned 6:30 to 7:30, which is an IST.
Yes, IST.
Okay, wow, what's the course fee, please? If you can you update it, please? if you don't mind.
Yeah, that course fees is going to be guide basically. Aishu, could you please answer for this one? What fees you guys are charging? Are you there, Aishu?
Yeah, ma'am. Fees will be the 18,000. So, like if they are going to do the payment today or tomorrow, they will get 10% of discount. So 2,000 they will get discount. 16,000 will be the fees.
Okay. Okay. Have you got the answer?
Thank you,
Right?
Jyoti. And yes, and
Yeah.
on the top of it, are you going to cover the test NG as well as the cucumber?
Yeah, both of the things.
Okay, because the description says it's only the test NG.
No. Actually, that's why I
Sorry,
told you.
sorry, my apologies. Not the test NG, just say this is cucumber.
No. Cucumber is also over there. Here, basically, I have mentioned, but at the time of detailed, I forgot to mention about it. But it is here. You can see it as it's mentioned as Cucumber BDD framework.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anything else to anyone?
Recording is available, right, Jyoti?
Yeah, recording will be available.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Anyone
Hi,
else?
ma'am.
Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi, Prasanna. Tell me.
If you have doubts, can we ask in the middle or at the end of the session, or do we have other sessions for doubts clarification?
No. At the same time, only you guys can ask. There is not like that. As you guys, you just have to feel if that you are learning in any live class over there where you are basically attending. So if you have the doubt, you are going to ask me that time only, right? Yes. Or
Yeah. Okay.
Or you guys can wait till I'm completing that topic. But again, if you are going to be wait till that, it is going to be just running in your mind. So in that case, you won't able to focus in another thing as well, because your mind will be stuck over there only. So better ask me at that time only. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Anything else to anyone? And yes, guys, Ashu has been shared the link for the feedback link. So please give your precious feedback about me. Okay? So anything else to anyone? Any doubt? You guys can ask me. If no, so we can wind a bit. No problem. Okay?
Do you take any test assessment of the candidates?
Yes. Assessment is going to be happen once I'm going to complete. And yes, I forgot to mention two things again. That cross KT sessions as well. See, there will be a separate link you guys are going to get for the cross KT. Cross KT is nothing but like a group discussion only. But yes, suppose Kajal and Roma is in the same room. Basically, there are the breakout rooms has been created. So you guys have to join that particular one, and two person will be in the same breakout room. So suppose Kajal is asking that cross question to you and you asking to the Kajal. So that also going to be help you out a lot of in your, suppose you have some doubt, might Kajal able to clear it. If suppose Kajal have some doubt, you will be able to create it. Or might after talking, you guys come up with the new doubt. So you guys can ask me. Okay, that's also possible. So yes, this kind of thing will be over there. Once I'm going to complete the Java, I'll conduct one test. Then once Selenium is going to be complete, I'll conduct one. And then there will be a final test over there. Okay. So it will be mostly MCQs type. But again, I'm not gonna promise you that, yeah, it will be purely MCQs. Like testing technique always, like test technique always going to get changed. Sometimes I'm taking MCQs, sometimes it is what's say technical, like writing the code and all. It could possible different ways. Okay.
Excuse me, Jyoti.
Yeah.
Do you guys really take us to take like a real-time environment, like writing a test cases or writing a code and executing? Are you going to explain, or you are going to guide us through the real-time environment?
Exactly. Guiding you, like we are going to guide, as I think you joined late. So we already discussed it previously only. Like, firstly, I'm going to complete with the all topics and all, okay? By taking the real-time examples only, like by the real website and all, I'll take that one. Once everything is gonna complete, your topic has been finished, and then you passed out your test and all as well, that final exams as well. After that, we are going to assign you the projects. Okay, real-time projects. So we are going to guide you all, guys, but the coding you guys have to do. I'll just give you the idea how you can do it, which one you need to choose, how you will be able to do. So I'll give you the idea. You have to do that coding part over there. Understood?
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Anyone else having any question? Okay, fine. No problem then. So if you guys don't have any questions, so I think we are done with the session. Let's see you tomorrow, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, everyone. And if you guys have
you, ma'am.
any doubt, you guys can connect to your counselor as well. And if you needed my if you want to talk to me as well, you guys can connect to me as well. Okay, there is basically my number. You guys can connect to me as well if you have any question, any doubt. Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Thank
Yes, ma'am.
you. Bye, everyone. Take care. Have a good day.
Bye.
Whatever is left.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Good day.
Same to you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.